If you have ever tried to turn a single long video into a week of short clips, you know exactly how frustrating that manual process can get. You record a great tutorial, knowing there is gold inside, but hunting for punchy moments is a total time sink. Manually cutting, resizing, adding captions, and posting across every single platform just eats up your entire schedule. I used to spend hours scrubbing through 40-minute videos, searching for those magical viral snippets that might actually land. It was slow, boring, and honestly, hiring freelancers to do it for me was just too expensive for the results I was getting. Then I found Vizard, and it completely changed my workflow by acting like an autopilot editor for all my long-form content. It identifies the best parts of your videos automatically, handles the scheduling, and keeps your content calendar organized. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to turn a messy, long recording into a stack of platform-ready clips in minutes. First, simply upload your raw video file into the Vizard platform and let the magic happen in the background. Don't worry about the AI missing the good stuff, because it is specifically trained to hunt for emotional beats and punchy hooks. The software scans for questions, high energy moments, and potential viral snippets that you might have missed yourself. If your video has clear sections, just add timestamps to your description before you upload to help the AI segment things perfectly. Once the AI selects the best clips, I quickly skim through them to ensure everything aligns with my creative vision. Next, it is time to turn those raw snippets into polished assets by adding automated captions and choosing the right aspect ratios. I love that I can customize the caption styles because it makes the text pop exactly when I say something important. You can even change the fonts and colors to match your brand identity without needing a professional graphic designer. If you want to add extra visual flair, you can easily drop in B-roll or product close-ups to make the edit feel professional. The speed of this whole process is incredible, turning a long, messy afternoon into a complete content plan. Now, let's talk about the real game changer, the built-in content calendar that ensures you stay consistent. Consistency is what actually scales your account, not just posting one random video whenever you feel like it. Vizard lets me set a schedule so that the system handles the queue while I focus on creating new, amazing content. I usually make sure my best 3 clips go out during that first week to hook my audience immediately. This tool is so much better than hiring freelancers because it saves you money and the turnaround time is near instant. Generic editing tools force you to find your own timestamps, but this approach lets the AI do the heavy lifting for you. You get a bundle of clips, scheduling software, and a calendar all in one, which is just way more efficient. Take a 12-minute product review, for example, where you talk about texture, application, and your final verdict. Vizard will pull out the hook, the demonstration clips, and even a testimonial, creating a library of content for you. I personally pick about 8 clips from every single long video I record to maximize my reach. Here's a quick tip. Keep those hooks short and punchy because that is what makes people stop scrolling. If the AI suggests a clip that feels a bit dull, just swap it for a moment where you are reacting or laughing. You should also set your preferred caption fonts and colors as your default settings to save even more time. Always remember that thumbnails matter just as much as the video itself, so use a face with a lot of expression. You can easily recycle and remix your clips across different platforms by tweaking the copy just a little bit. While Vizard covers about 90% of the work, you can still bring your own designer touch for complex graphics. The goal here isn't to spam people with ads, but to show up consistently so you can get discovered by new viewers. Stop spending your nights editing and start using this workflow to actually post content without burning out. You will be absolutely surprised at how much content you can produce with the same amount of recording time. I have used this method to turn my own backlog into dozens of clips that perform better than I ever expected. Just set aside one afternoon to batch process a few uploads, and you can schedule your content for the next 2 weeks. If you want, I can walk you through a live example with a 15-minute video and show you my exact picking process. There is no fluff in that video, just practical steps to get you started on your content creation journey today. Does that sound like something that would help you reclaim your time while growing your brand?